x plus xy plus y is equal to 32. Then what is the value of x plus y? Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of this x plus y from this given equation. X plus xy plus y is equal to 32. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation s plus xy plus y equal to 32. Then let's factor s out here. We have s into 1 plus y is equal to 32. Now here we have 1 plus y, and here is y, and this is s outside. Then we can add 1 to both sides. That is s into 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 32 plus 1. Now we have 1 plus y and 1 plus y. Then we have x into 1 plus y plus 1 is equal to 32 plus 1, that is 33. Now 1 plus y is common here, and we have s. Then let's bring it out. We have y plus 1 we have x plus 1 is equal to what? 33. Now remember that x and y are positive integers. Then we have s comma y is greater than equal to 1. And if s comma 1 is greater than equal to 1, that means y plus 1, this is greater than equal to what? 2, that is 1 plus 1. Also s plus 1, this is greater than equal to what? 2. Then, and y plus 1 multiplied by s plus 1 is equal to what? 33. Now 33 can be rewrite as 33 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 33. Also we have 3 multiplied by 11, then 11 multiplied by 3. Now if that is the case, we say that s comma y is greater than or equal to 1, and then y plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2. Now 33 is greater than 2, but 1 is less than 2. Then we cancel this. Then also 1 is less than 2 and 33 is greater than 2. Then we cancel this. Now 3 is greater than 2. Then and 11 is greater than 2. 11 is greater than 2 and this 3 is greater than 2. Then we accept this. Therefore, we have two cases here. Y plus 1 into s plus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by 11. Let's call this first case. Then, and in second case, we have y plus 1, then multiplied by s plus 1 is equal to what? 11 multiplied by 3. Now that is the second case. Let's operate it with this first case. The first case is what? Y plus 1 is equal to 3. Then therefore y is equal to what? 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Then also from here, for this one, we have s plus 1 is equal to 11. S is equal to 11 minus 1. This is equal to what? 10. Then for the first case, remember we are looking for s plus y. S plus y is equal to what? 10 plus 2. This is equal to 12. That is the value of x plus y for the first case. Now, let's consider the second case. The second case is y plus 1 multiplied by s plus 1 is equal to what? Then we have 11 multiplied by 3. 11 times 3. Now, that means we have y plus 1 is equal to 11. Therefore, y is equal to 11 minus 1. This is equal to what? 10. Then, for this one, we have s plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, s is equal to what? 3 minus 1. This is equal to what? 2. Now, for the second case also, s plus y is equal to 2 plus 10. This is equal to what? 12. Then that is for the second case. You can see that in both cases, we have s plus y equal to 12. Then let's check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Check. We have the given equation as s plus sy plus y equal to 32. Now, for the first case, s is equal to what? 10, y equal to 2. Then we have 10 plus 10 multiplied by 2 plus 2 must be equal to what? 32. Now, this is 10 plus 10 times 2, this is 20, plus 2 must be equal to what? 32. Now, let's see, 10 plus 20, that is 30, plus 2, that is 32. Then the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, which satisfies the given equation. Then also, let's check the second case. We have the given equation, s plus sy plus y equal to 32. Then our x equal to 2, y equal to what? 10. Then we have 2 plus 2 times 10 plus 10 must be equal to what? 32. Then this is 2 plus 2 times 10, 20, plus 10 must be equal to what? 32. Now this is 2 plus 20 plus 10, that is 32, is equal to what? 32. Meaning that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, which satisfies the given equation. If you have enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.